Shri Ram Swaroop Memorial University, located in Barabanki, Uttar Pradesh, comprises 12 institutes that offer a variety of courses. It has an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. Let's learn about the MCA programs offered here, beginning with its placements rated 3.3 stars. Student reviews indicate that notable recruiters such as Matrix, Delta X, Amazon, Deloitte, Decathlon, Kotak Bank, and Zomato have visited the campus. The top role offered to students was software developer. According to the NIRF 2024 report, 187 students graduated from the PG 2-year program in 2022-23. Of these graduates, 43% secured placements. There has been a marginal increase in median salary compared to previous years. In comparison to other institutes in Uttar Pradesh like Tirthankar Mahavir University, SRMU still has a lot of ground to cover in terms of median salary offered to graduates. For the MCA students, the internship begins in the final semester. To start their on-job training, students are required to submit a no-objection certificate. Moving on now to the academics, where the MCA program at the university is rated 3.7 by students on Shiksha.com. The program emphasizes skill-based progression, enhanced through guest lectures and workshops focused on cutting-edge domains like Java, Python, blockchain, .NET, IoT, digital image processing, AI, cybersecurity, and advanced JavaScript. To gain admission, students must qualify the CUET PG entrance exam with a minimum of 50% in their UG. Regarding the cost, the 2-year fees is 2.23 lakhs, while the hostel fees is between 1.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs for the same duration depending on the room time. Scholarships are available based on CUET scores, SRMU set scores, merit, and reserved categories. Moving on now to the infrastructure rated 3.8 stars. SRMU in Barabanki, Uttar Pradesh is well connected and known for its green campus, including a herbal nursery and rainwater harvesting systems. It offers modern classrooms, a library, academic blocks, a seminar hall, and computer labs. Students benefit from advanced labs in Google Android, AI and machine learning, and cybersecurity. Students have reported that the Wi-Fi connectivity is often unstable. The campus has separate hostels for boys and girls, offering all necessary amenities. Hostel facilities and food have received mixed reviews, and some consider them satisfactory while others find them disappointing. The university offers sports facilities along with medical support and transport options for students. Let's now take a look at the faculty and course with a rating of 3.8. The faculty members at SRMU are qualified and knowledgeable, with the students appreciating the teaching methodology. A minimum of 75% attendance is needed to sit for exams with a passing grade of 4. Notably, students enjoy a flexible learning experience through the choice-based credit system. The curriculum is enriched with global and industrial partnerships with Wipro, TCS, IBM, Zero Labs, among others, and includes research projects, patents, and MOU. Turning to campus life, which has received a rating of 3.9 stars. Various clubs such as Shri Jan and Tech Fusion provide platforms for creativity and exploration of interests. The campus is vibrant with activities like conferences, seminars, guest lectures, TEDx events, workshops, cultural festivals, and sports events. Lastly, Shri Ram Swaroop Memorial University is unranked as per the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on Shri Ram Swaroop Memorial University, Barabanki, Uttar Pradesh, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.